is that the way we have begun to imagine this nation, within this quote nation, there are two competing ideologies, one represented by the Indian National Congress, the other, which some authors call it, communal ideological moorings. Let me cite this one which BJP loves to do it. The religious cultural imagination was an organic conception of nation that is clearly seen in today's speech as well. They invoke the idea of blood and soil. If you remember, our Prime Minister has said, the color of the passport se zyada importance dena hai ya color of the blood. This is a familiar slogan in 1930s Italy fascists. They used to say, Blut on Boden, blood and the soil. The cultural nationalist project to see this country as an organic entity by flattening the diversity. That's one kind of imagination of nationhood, and that is why this song becomes important to the ruling party. In contrast to this imagination of the Bharat Mata, you have another competing image presented by people like Jawaharlal Nehru. In his book, Discovery of India, he said, who is this Bharat Mata? And he insists Bharat Mata is nothing but you and me. There's millions of people in this country. And when you say victory to Mother India, you mean victory to these people. It is you and me and different speakers, whether it was Karnataka Mata or Manipur Mata or Banga Mata, everybody comes together. And this is coming together is what has created the country that we are familiar with and we represent in this house. That history must be recollected as we discuss this Bande Mataram. You must remember this coming together of various elements, speakers of different languages and diverse faiths, is what made this country India. The country that we are aware and the country which has been codified in our constitution. The preceding constitutions, Section 5 of the Government of India Act 1935, it calls this country as the Federation of India. And people like Manipuris who have joined under that 1935 Act, under the same Act, Section 8, it is called the Federated State. This Federation of India turned into Union of India as we know today under this constitution. This coming together of India, that is what Bharat Mata would mean. Different individuals, different cultures,